Now we are starting the next question number 3. Draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter. Take 2 points P and Q on one of its extended diameter, each at a distance of 7 centimeter from its center. Draw tangents to the circle from P and Q. This is our question. Now we will do this question. First of all, we will draw a circle with radius 3 centimeter. We will open our compass for 3 centimeter. This is 3 centimeter and I am drawing a circle with radius 3 centimeter. This is the circle with radius 3 centimeter. Then take 2 points P and Q on one of its extended diameter. Now I am drawing a diameter of this. Now 7 centimeter, O is the center of this circle. This diameter is extended 7 centimeter on both of the sides. And on other side also it is extended to be 7 centimeter. Now we have to draw the tangents from points P and Q. This point is P and this point is Q. For this, first of all, we will find the perpendicular bisector of OQ. We will open the compass more than the half of OQ and draw an arc. On both sides, these arcs are intersecting each other at a point. Say these are the points where these arcs are intersecting. Now we'll join these 2 points to get the midpoint. Say this one is the midpoint of OQ. Now we will draw a circle with radius. Say this point is named as M. With radius OM, it will pass through M and Q, both of the points. It is passing through O and Q. Then we have got 2 points on the circle with radius 3 centimeter. We'll join, say these points are, this point is A and this point is B. Now we will join AQ and QB. Clearly this QA and QB are the tangents to the circle with radius 3 centimeter. This is the radius OA and here it is the radius OB. Now from other side, that from point P we are to draw 2 tangents. Then we will take the perpendicular bisector of OP. This line is OP and we will take perpendicular bisector of OP. In this way we are taking the perpendicular bisector. By opening the compass more than the half of OP, we are drawing 2 arcs from O and P. These arcs are intersecting each other at 2 points. Now we will join these 2 points. See here, we are joining these 2 points. Now here we have got the midpoint of OP. Say it is L. This midpoint is L. Now we will draw a circle with radius OL. This, it will pass through P and O itself. See, it is passing through P and O and intersecting the circle C1 that was with radius 3 centimeter at 2 points. Say C and D. Now we are joining CP and DP. Clearly, this CP and DP are the tangents to the circle C1 with radius 3 centimeter. This was the question number 3.